To hell with a lucky rabbit's foot. I grew my own. 2 of them. It's great for scoring goals, and gals. But it's not good at keeping the litter. One look at these gems and she'll be heading for the hills. We could argue scrapes on our ankles are equivalent to scratches on our backs. But keep in mind, chivalry's not quite dead yet. Have a little respect. Trim your parts. But not too much. No French tips here. Only Scottish ones. And don't forget to give them a once over. Take the edge off. Now you're prepped for pillow talk.